The new Peugeot 408 model was unveiled recently. The biggest change was the replacement of the new 1.5T engine with a maximum power of 127 kilowatts, an increase of 2 kilowatts compared to the 1.6T engine on sale. In terms of appearance, the new car has not undergone major changes, as the models on sale have adopted the latest design language. The front fascia adopts a radically sculpted front surround and has a fang light bar extending downwards from the headlight cluster. Showing the Lion brand association, the large-sized star-spangled grille with blackened plus chrome finish looks more majestic and increases the visual fullness of the front face. The side design of the body of the Peugeot 408 is relatively solid. The upper and lower waistlines outline a clear sense of hierarchy. The general body has a downward sloping stance. The shape of the dual 5-spoke air knife wheels is very perfect. This is also reflected in the interior design of the Peugeot 408. The large central control screen and instrument cluster are essential items. The shape of the center console and steering wheel is also in line with the current mainstream aesthetic. For reference, the selling price of Peugeot 408 1.6T is 105,700 to 121,700 yuan.